The US Food and Drug Administration made a significant announcement on January 15, 2025. They officially banned the use of red dye number 3, also known as erythrocene. This artificial food coloring can no longer be used in food, drinks, or ingested medications. This ban marks a major victory for consumer safety advocates. It reflects a growing awareness of the potential dangers lurking in our food supply. Red dye number 3 has been a popular choice for manufacturers for decades. Its bright cherry red hue is visually appealing. It has been used in countless products, from candies to cereals to pharmaceuticals. However, concerns about its safety have been simmering for years. Studies have linked red dye number 3 to various health problems. These include hyperactivity in children and thyroid tumors in animals. The potential link to cancer, even if only observed in animal studies, was a major factor in the FDA's decision. For years, many consumers remained unaware of these hidden risks. They continue to consume products containing red dye number 3 without a second thought. The FDA's ban is comprehensive. It covers all products intended for human consumption that contain red dye number 3. This includes everything from the candy coating on your favorite sweets to the coloring in some cough syrups. The ban sends a clear message to manufacturers. The era of prioritizing aesthetics over safety is over. The implications of this ban for manufacturers are significant. Companies must now scramble to reformulate their products. They will need to find alternatives to red dye number 3. This may involve using natural colorings or simply adjusting their recipes to eliminate the need for red coloring altogether. This change will inevitably come at a cost. However, the FDA argues that the cost of protecting public health far outweighs the financial burden on businesses. This move aligns with the FDA's broader mission to safeguard the nation's food and drug supply. It also reflects a growing trend of regulatory agencies taking a more proactive approach to protecting consumers from potentially harmful ingredients. The ban on red dye number 3 is not an isolated incident. It is part of a larger movement demanding greater transparency and safety in our food system. Consumers are becoming increasingly savvy about the ingredients in their food. They are actively seeking out natural, minimally processed options. This shift in consumer demand is putting pressure on manufacturers to respond. The food industry is at a crossroads. Companies that are slow to adapt to these changing consumer preferences risk being left behind. The successful companies of the future will be those that prioritize transparency and embrace natural, wholesome ingredients. Consumers are no longer willing to accept the presence of potentially harmful artificial ingredients in their food, especially when safer alternatives exist. The FDA's ban on red dye number 3 is a significant step towards a safer, more natural food supply. It serves as a wake-up call, prompting us to question the ingredients in the products we consume. The future of food coloring likely lies in natural alternatives. Beet juice, paprika, and other plant-based pigments can provide vibrant hues without the potential health risks. This transition won't be without its challenges. Natural colorings may not be as stable as their artificial counterparts. They might require different processing techniques. However, the demand for natural, safe, and healthy food is only going to increase. The food industry must rise to the challenge and deliver products that consumers can trust. The ban on red dye number 3 is a sign of things to come, a future where our food is as vibrant as it is safe.